Hello, I'm Susie Rose, and this is my 2021 Creatin Contest entry called Miss Penny's Puppies. Here is the lovely Miss Penny. She's all dressed up and ready for church, but the newly adopted puppies have been fed and put down for a nap, so go to church, Miss Penny, and hopefully things will be great. So let's go ahead and go around the side. Miss Penny has lots of flowers. She loves her flowers. Oh my goodness. Mud tracks everywhere. Looks like the puppies got out. Up and down. Oh no. I think they got into the flower beds too. Put some holes in the lawn. That's not pretty. I'm sure Miss Penny won't be happy about that, but let's go check out the rest. Oh goodness, it looks like there's been some messes. Let's go to the basement first. Oh, up and down the stairs, water all over. Goodness. You know, Miss Penny only uses the basement for laundry and storage, but still, what a mess. How did all that water get in there? Let's go check. Oh, looks like one of those puppies must have bitten the washer hose. There's water pouring out and got into the Christmas decor and the laundry. Miss Penny will not be a happy camper. We better go upstairs and check out the rest. Well, here we are upstairs. It looks like a big, big mess. Miss Penny will not be happy. Oh, they got into the trash, on the table. Goodness, these puppies have made messes everywhere. Oh, lamp down, sofa down, cushions down. My goodness, and there are the little darlings. Looks like Rascal is still having a cushion, and Remy. Oh, Remy, look, you've done your business. I think she's nervous. Oh, looks like she's done a few little things. Oh, not happy. Wallpaper scratches, front door scratches, and oh, good grief, the front window is broken. Oh, Miss Penny, what are you going to do? Well, let's go check out that window. Oh, the flowers. Oh my goodness, look at the window. Oh, that's not going to be fun. Poor Miss Penny. I hope those puppies are, I hope they had a great day. Oh, and there's Miss Penny home from church. I think I better give her something to help her out. I believe she's going to need this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.